Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Yesterday we talked about this WXY structure already that's possibly unfolding here, and yeah, we might still be in the process of this C wave of Y. I mean, at the moment at least, there is no evidence that a low has formed in this support region. There was the chance, but the bulls didn't use it. The rally was clearly just in three waves. The rally that occurred here between the 23rd of January and the 30th. So yeah, there is a risk it's breaking down again. Well, I shouldn't say risk because we're in a support area. Essentially, all we're waiting for is a confirmation that it reverses to the upside from here. It can still do that, but at the moment, at least, I mean, this is a three-wave rally. I mean, there is always the potential, I have to say that, because the next rally is a five-wave move. Could be an ending diagonal, and it could have started indeed, yeah. So let's talk about the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenario for SEI. Either way, I'm looking at sort of targets of $1.06 plus on the next move up. There will be additional resistances, 93 cents, 97 cents, but $1.06 is for me what I would consider a healthy wave 5, maybe even higher. Yeah. But first of all, the wave 4 needs to find a low, and now we talk about how this wave 5 could be structured. So first of all, here looking at the 4 hour, you can see that this can easily be a WXY structure in which then the A, B are complete and the C wave is still unfolding. This is short-term bearish. In this scenario, the price, however, would need to stay below the B wave top, so below 75.4 cents. We are quite far away from that level at the moment. You know, and just needs to go a little lower, basically below 56 cents, and technically this scenario would be fulfilled. If we then talk about potential targets for that Y wave, yeah, we talk about 52.5 cents. That's pretty much a good overlap with the 38.2 retracement level. That would be the next target or level to watch. Okay, then we have a WXY and ABC, and it would reach an ideal target. Could also go a little lower. As long as we're holding above 44.2 cents, I'm generally going to look higher, even though that would be already quite a deep fourth wave. So that's one scenario. That's short-term bearish. One more that is also short-term bearish, but you could say very short-term bullish, is that this B wave is simply extending a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't see that at the moment, but it's a possibility that this is forming an A, B, C. So we have a larger B, and then we come down. Yeah, so that would nearly look a bit like a triangle, but because this is a new low, it's not a triangle. But it's just something I'm watching in parallel. That can always happen if we get a rally from here without a breakout above the 87.5 cent level. So essentially that's still possible. You need to be aware of that. But overall, that would all be part of an overall bullish scenario as long as we're holding 44.2 cents. Only below that level, we have to unpack bearish scenarios, and I have to assume that a more lasting top has formed here in January, early in January. Okay, now let's talk about the short-term bullish scenario. Is it possible that the wave 4 already bottomed? I mean, absolutely. We have dipped into the support area. These are typically the areas where the price should ideally reverse. It also reached here the 100% extension level of this move down. So it has technically done what it needs to do. It's just that the move up is not a 5-wave pattern. So what is possible here? It's possible from a short-term bullish point of view, but it really should turn around now, that this is a wave 1, but a 3-wave move. Now, how is that possible? It's possible in an ending diagonal. So that the wave 5 is an ending diagonal in which the wave 1 is an ABC structure. Okay, the wave 2 might be unfolding now. Should really not go much lower or we have invalidation. Then the third wave would likely go higher. Then we get a 4 and a 5. So this is the short-term bullish scenario, which absolutely is not unrealistic, but I just need a little bit more evidence for that. If this is the case, where should circle wave 3 go? So from here, we would like to have circle wave 3 reach at least the 1.236 extension at 86.7 cents, okay? Possibly even a little higher to 90 cents. That would be ideal. Then away 4 and 5. So that's possible. Yeah, it's something I'm gonna map out on the chart now, just to highlight that this is a possibility in a more directly bullish scenario, but it would need to turn around now. I see some potentials like these on several charts, but they really need to turn around now because the invalidation point for this ending diagonal that it already started, well, it is at 56.3 cents basically. This swing low from the 23rd of January. So, but overall, again, they are all bullish as long as we're holding above 44.2 cents. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.